Welcome to this comprehensive guide on comparing Google Analytics e-commerce tracking versus Universal Analytics. In this tutorial, we will explore the key differences and similarities between these two analytics tools. First, let's start with the basics. Google Analytics is a powerful tool used to track and analyze website traffic and behavior. E-commerce tracking and Universal Analytics are two distinct features within Google Analytics that serve different purposes. E-commerce tracking is specifically designed for online stores and allows you to track transactions, sales, and revenue. On the other hand, Universal Analytics is a more general analytics tool that tracks website usage and behavior. To compare these two tools, let's examine their key features. E-commerce tracking provides detailed insights into sales performance, including transaction data, product information, and customer behavior. It also allows you to track the effectiveness of marketing campaigns and calculate return on investment. Universal Analytics, on the other hand, provides a broader view of website usage, including page views, bounce rates, and conversion rates. When deciding between e-commerce tracking and Universal Analytics, consider your website goals and objectives. If you have an online store and want to track sales and revenue, e-commerce tracking is the better choice. However, if you want to track general website usage and behavior, Universal Analytics is more suitable. In terms of setup and implementation, e-commerce tracking requires additional setup, including enabling e-commerce tracking in your Google Analytics account and adding tracking code to your website. Universal Analytics, on the other hand, is easier to set up and requires minimal configuration. Best practices for using e-commerce tracking and Universal Analytics include setting clear goals and objectives, regularly reviewing and analyzing data, and using data to inform marketing and optimization decisions. It's also important to ensure accurate and consistent tracking by verifying setup and configuration. In conclusion, e-commerce tracking and Universal Analytics are two distinct features within Google Analytics that serve different purposes. By understanding the key differences and similarities between these tools, you can make informed decisions about which tool to use and how to use it effectively. Remember to set clear goals and objectives, regularly review and analyze data, and use data to inform marketing and optimization decisions.